Hi. Now we will talk about the Kundan jewelry type. So which one is one of my also favorite jewelry type. So if you are planning to start your own brand for a Kundan jewelry, so here are the few things that you should know. Okay, so first thing is you need to understand the psychology, the market, the age group, and where you will sell, how you will sell, who will buy your product, and what type of a jewelry you should keep in your showroom. All these things you need to understand. Also, if you do not study well, then probably you will end up with the uh, disappointment, like why you are not able to sell your product. So all this information probably will help you to grow your business. The first thing, Kundan jewelry is associated with wedding, okay, then festival and traditional celebration. So here are the categories. This you should understand. Otherwise what will happen, you will just buy the jewelry and you will keep those jewelry in your showroom, but you don't know how to sell them, or how to do the marketing, or how to talk to a customer, or how to offer a customer all these type of a jewelry. Then probably it may have an issue. Okay, now while premium handmade pieces can be expensive. Okay, so in Kundan also we have a handmade options, and these type of handmade options are pretty expensive. Many business begins with selling high quality uh, uh, imitations Kundan jewelry to make the category more affordable. Okay, now all these things we saw already. We need to figure out how much estimated investment probably we may require. So you can start your own brand for a Kundan jewelry from 1 lakh to 5 lakh investment. It's depending on the product quality, okay, and inventory. Now again the questions will come in your mind, which is where to sell. So you can sell these products on bridal boutiques, wedding exhibitions, Instagram, and bridal makeup artist. Okay, so you may probably tie up with the bridal makeup artist. Okay, so here we got the one more additional ideas. And wedding planners. So you can get in touch with your local wedding planners, talk to them, offer them, do the marketing for your products, tell them, you may tell them or show them the photographs, and also offer them some percentage if they keep your product, and if they keep you if they offer your product to their customers, probably they can also have a benefit from selling your products. Otherwise it's really difficult to just initial level, probably it's really difficult. I can totally understand mouth publicity will also work. Suppose if you sell your product to your friend, okay, probably he or she might recommend that product to the other person. But if you are planning to connect with a wedding planner, definitely they will ask some percentage of benefit from your product. Now we will talk about the next jewelry type, which is a polki jewelry. Okay, now polki style jewelry is inspired by traditional uncut diamond designs. Okay, and is often chosen for a bridal wear. So you need to be a very specific here. It's for a bridal wear. Many business starts with imitation polki collection, while premium business may work with genuine materials. So you also here you what you learn here the types of jewelry, then the customers, the age group, and you need to identify where you will sell your products. Now if we talk about the polki jewelry, here the main part is you really need to focus on a genuine materials. So here is a one more additional stuffs which we can see, or I can say the category where you need to focus, which is genuine material. So in a market we can say we have a duplicate material, and it's hard for you if you do not have a right knowledge to find out the genuine materials. If you do not have a right knowledge how to find the genuine materials, you can pin me in a comment and I will help you with the guide or materials which can help you to identify which material is quality material and which material is dummy material. Now, the estimated investment amount. Now we can see here, you may probably start your business from 1,50,000 till 10 lakh or 1 CR. It's now depend on your budget. It's depending on also the kind of a material you choose. Okay. Now, where to sell? Here is a big difference. How you will find a right customer, luxury customers. You may need, now you cannot sell these products in a local market. You need to find out a luxury boutique, then bridal stores, then wedding exhibitions. Fourth is high-end online stores. So you may probably need to study hard here to get the details for luxury customers as well. Okay. So this was related to the Polki jewelry. Now in next session we will see for a temple jewelries.